This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for August 14th, 2024. It's currently June 26th, 2024, 8:51 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading is $545.51. That's USD. The shuffle video for the August 14th reading was created on June 19th, 2024 at 1:12 p.m. Eastern Time. It's a video playing for you in the lower left corner. So the overall theme and behavior for SPY on the 14th, we have a period of sideways rotation and a sharp drop that'll stand out in that period of sideways rotation. Generally speaking, either the sideways rotation or the sharp drop will be a revisiting of a support level that was recently a past opportunity. It looks like we've got a trade opportunity when we revisit it in this case. Behavior on the high side, we have a fast sudden move higher into the high. It's a trade opportunity at the high, but it's also nullified, indicating that there's some sort of chart behavior that makes the move into the high irrelevant. And behavior around the low for the day, we have sideways rotation along key support on a one-day chart scale minimum. I'm advised to trade around a notable reversal that'll stand out on a one-day chart at least, probably on a multi-day chart, but a notable reversal here, and it looks like it's a notable reversal at the high based on the high correlation to the trade card. In the pre-market, we have a period of volatility that ends with a fast sudden move higher. Right around the open, there's a period of rotation, sideways rotation along key support. We revisit a support level that was recently a past opportunity, and there's a sharp drop within that period of sideways rotation. That's where I would close out of a short position opened on the 13th in the midst of that ace of discs into a peak towards the end of the day. That's where I would close out of that short position here at the open when we revisit that support. In the first half hour, there's a notable move to the upside through key resistance. We stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through it shortly thereafter with the full retracement. There's a big move to the upside between 10 and 11 roughly. This is out of oversold territory or like a gap up, something like that, but it'll stand out on a one-day chart, and it takes us into a failed attempt to break through key resistance somewhere between roughly 11 and 12. That resistance, it looks like we're going to break through, so it's a disappointment when we don't. It looks like we're going to break through based on technical chart behavior, like probably the support that we established here. In any case, there's a decline through key support after that failed attempt to break the key resistance, or decline through key support before 12, taking us to a trough probably around 11:30, 11:40. We have more decline between roughly 12 and 1. It's a decline 2 and through support, we need another support. We do some sideways rotation and then break down through more support. There's likely a trough and a crest, I should say, here between 1 and 2, most likely. We've got an important technical price level on a 1 month chart minimum highlighted here between 1 and 2. Usually the science card is resistance, but not always the case. And it looks like we have a cash out opportunity here. You could probably do a day trade here. It's a little risky, so I'd probably steer clear of it, but you could possibly open a long position at the open and close it at the science card, but it's a little hard to read because it's got correlations to highs and lows, and then that's a cash out coin, kind of an interesting place for it. In any case, after that important price level on a multi-day scale, we have a period of volatility between roughly 2 and 3, and around 225, 230, there's a sharp drop to the downside. That decline continues into the last hour of trading, but ends with a fast sudden move higher, and we have around the close a period of we have a period of erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level. There's an important support level highlighted in the post-market at a low, and it's support that usually you can rely upon. I actually think like it might have more to do with the following day, especially because this is an attempt to establish support to sneak preview card. And that's SPY for August 14th, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.